everybody. I hope you're doing great, and if you're celebrating Sankranthi, a very happy Sankranthi to you all. By the time this video goes up, it will be Wednesday, but I am recording it on the weekend, which is the Sankranthi weekend. And if you're here for the first time, my name is Soma and I make videos on lifestyle and motivation. And as usual, get yourself a cup of tea and coffee and we'll get started right away. Alright, so like you know, this one is sort of a vlog. So this is a weekend, a long weekend for me. I did have off on Friday as well. I'm filming this as usual on Saturday night, and it's been a nice weekend. Something that long weekend is always the time when you can sort of take your time, chill, also at the same time know that you get to do things that you want to do. So I thought I'll take you along with me what I'm doing on the weekend for Sankranthi, and as usual it's a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of cooking, and just a lot of time to chill and do things you want to do. I would love to know from which part of India you're watching, and if you did something special for Sankranthi, please do let me know. Thank you once again, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Right, let's get started. Alright, it smells pretty delicious out here, but I almost burned it because I went out for like 5 minutes, sat in the balcony. I thought, it's simmering on its own and let it simmer, and thankfully it's not burned. But growing up as a Bengali, Sankranthi, it's very special, and we have so many sweets, so many varieties of sweets. I honestly don't even know how to make a lot of them. I like to eat them, but I don't know how to make them. But I do make a point to make it now because I want my son to know his heritage, his culture, where he comes from, especially more because we stay in Hyderabad, so it's important that while he's growing up in Hyderabad, he's learning the culture here. It's also important that he knows his Bengali side of the culture as well. please do let me know, and yeah, I'll make sure I'll make more of them. Thank you once again for watching, and thank you for your time. I'll see you next week then. Take care and bye-bye.